Let's talk about manoeuvres. In your driving test, you'll be asked to perform one manoeuvre, either the parallel park, reverse bay park, forward bay park, or pull up on the right and reverse. There are 4 things that are really, really important when you are reversing. Firstly, you're controlling the car at a really slow speed, a slow walking pace. Secondly, that you look all around your vehicle all the time. You keep on looking around, making really good observations. The next thing is that you react to what you see. So if you're reversing and a cyclist starts riding down the road, then you will stop, allow the cyclist to go past, and then carry on again. And the last thing that's important, but not as important as the others, is your accuracy. You need to perform the manoeuvre with some level of accuracy. It doesn't have to be amazing accuracy, just some level of accuracy. The most important thing is that you are safe. And you're safe because you're going very slowly and because you're looking around a lot.